caption feature helps you to turn on auto-generated captions for videos on Instagram. Instagram, the Meta-owned social media app, is one of the most used picture-sharing app, and it provides users with a better experience by continuously updating and adding new features. The app transformed from a photo-centric platform to a developed short video app. At present, users even upload long-format videos on the app. Uploading long-format videos on Instagram means that it's trying to attract audiences from videos like YouTube. The Meta-owned social media app introduced a caption feature earlier. This feature helps you to auto-generate captions for short videos or long-format videos. Moreover, it helps you to understand video better, especially long-format videos with detailed information. Let's have a look at how you can turn on auto-generated captions for Reels on Instagram. Here's how you can auto-generate captions for Reels on Instagram. Before learning this process, it's important to know that you're not using an older version of Instagram and it's up to date. In order to update that, you need to open the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. Search the app and check if it requires any update. If required, then update the app and then follow the steps below to learn about auto-generating captions. Open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the Reels tab located at the bottom next to the post icon. Once you tap on the Reels tab, a random reel should start playing. Tap on the 3 horizontal dots on the side. A control panel for the video should now show up. Tap on Manage Captions located above the QR code option. Toggle on Captions. Now, captions should be turned on for Instagram Reels. Remember, the captions will be auto-generated in English. The captions are quite accurate most of the time to go. However, there's no other language added for captions. It's expected to be added in the future.